Not every time plain white rice. Let's make this coconut rice with simple ingredients. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are my ingredients. I have my coconut, and this is what coconuts look like. And for this one, I've removed it from the shell. So I have some beef, some shrimps, and coconut oil. I have another coconut milk. I have some gizzard, blended pepper, smoked fish, and spices that I'll be using along with my washed rice. So I'm going to start by adding some coconut oil in my pot. So after adding my coconut oil, I'll start to fry my protein. So for my protein, I'm frying my beef. So after frying my beef until it is looking golden brown like this, I'm going to take that out. So next, I'll be frying my gizzard, and this is my gizzard. So after frying this for some minutes and it's looking like this, a little bit golden brown, I'm going to take it out. So next, I'll be frying my shrimp. This is my shrimp. So I'm just going to fry this shrimp a little bit, looking golden brown like this, then I'm going to take that out. So what I'm adding now is my smoked mandla fish. I'm just going to fry that also a little bit. So after frying all the protein, the next thing, I'll add another coconut oil in my pot, add some chopped onions, stir that together, allow that to fry for some minutes. The next is what I'm adding now is my roughly blended pepper. For my roughly blended pepper, I've parboiled it earlier before using it. So I'm going to stir all that together, then I'm going to cover this, allow this to fry for some minutes. So after frying this for some minutes, the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to season my pepper base for my coconut rice. So what I'm adding now is just my curry, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, salt, and Maggi, or any other seasoning you feel you have around that you can just add to it. So once you have your seasoning, you want to stir everything together to make sure that everything is combined together. So the next I'm adding now is some meat stock. So I'm just adding that stock just to loosen up my pepper base for my coconut rice. Then I'll cover that, allow that to fry for some more minutes. After frying my stew base for some minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my washed basmati rice. So in this video, I am using basmati rice. So after adding my rice, I'm going to stir everything together until it is well combined. So next, I'm going to add my coconut milk. So the first coconut milk I had is the homemade coconut milk I made myself from the coconut I showed you earlier. So the second I'm adding now is the canned coconut milk I show. So in this video, I am using two different kinds of coconuts. So the homemade coconut milk and store-bought canned coconut milk. So I combine the two coconut milk together to give it a delightful taste. So the next I'm going to add is a little bit of water, just a little water. Then I'm going to go ahead and cover this, allow this to cook. So I've been cooking my rice on medium to low heat for some minutes, and my rice is ready. So this is what I have. So next, I'm just going to introduce back my protein inside my rice. So after adding all my protein back inside the rice, I'm just going to stir everything together to make sure that everything is well combined together. So once I stir that together, I'm just going to cover this for some minutes on low heat for just few minutes to steam together, and this is what I have. My coconut rice is ready. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye.